When you create the MVC core, MVC core, create the Esplanade core, create the tutorial name lab underscore component partial view. Okay, then next, then I will run this application. Okay, after that I create a post page. Like I create the controller name article, create controller, go to R, stop this, create controller, article, add one here. After that I create one model name is a post view model, post view, like I create property prop id manage title, second is a body, and third is a sir. There is a for properties. You can remove this warning for this. How to remove this warning?
Yeah, that nullable symbol we should add.
Yes, select the nullable. After that, I create the index page. On create the model post view. This is a small. Yeah, is small. Okay. Then at the rate view view title equal to index. H1 model dot, yeah, that's div by the rate model dot author and p at the rate model dot body. Okay,
Okay.
on here I show this property. I show this title, author, body. This is come from the controller on here. Create the
Yes.
class post view model id one title manage ASP.NET. There is what is ASP.NET? What is ASP.NET? Author, UTH or author, Chancellor. Board, body, ASP.NET is a open source. Okay. Then this return in the display. Okay. Then this run. I have run this. Okay, we need to add the view
Yeah.
menu like article / index. Okay, this is from I change this from program.cs file. On here you can change article and index page. Okay, then run. The by default article page will open. Okay, this is fine.
Yeah.
This is from the view. And after that I create the partial view.
Okay.
Create the partial view. So like I have a layout page. See layout, shared folder layout page. This is the master page. So in the master page, we have some common code like header. You can uh, create the parser view for the header. Okay.
Okay.
Then I create on here, like you can create this stuff. Add view and empty view here. Name is underscore h and underscore header. Okay. On here, what the
Mm.
code is common? This is a header. This is
Mm.
this header. This is a render body. Okay. Then I copy this header code on here and paste on here. Okay. And
Okay.
this partial bind on here. Partial name is equal to partial name underscore header. Okay. Then I check build and run. Okay. This will come from the partial view
Okay.
component. After that, I create. I working from the component view, and then if I create the model. मान लीजिए model. View. ID name email embodied. This class was created for the view component. I
Okay.
bind through this model. For that, I am creating class. Okay, and then I create just second one.
Okay.
And create the one is component view. For that, I create the class component view component view model. Yeah, component view component means component view. This is correct. नहीं component view नहीं है. This is a comment view component comment view component create class on here. Actually, I have no data on the TV. Then I call some dirty API or some common API online. Get the data
Okay.
bind in the view component. Like I have some API. Like, just second. Mm, JSON placeholder. This is a data. I bind this data on that model. Then I have some code that I have code for that. I actually this is a return type I view component result. This is a invoke function for the view bind the view component. This is inbuilt functionality.
Okay.
Go to the in
Okay.
definition and the no definition is here. And pass this if I want to pass ID and this is a HTTP client through this class. I will call third party API and create the get. Actually, I get the data, है ना? तो pass
Yeah.
parameter HTTP method dot get, है ना? And pass URL.
So
This is a
what are the
JSON.
methods we have? Like here, what are the methods we have? You
Sorry.
said you are calling. You said you are calling this API, right?
Yes, I
Other
am.
than that, like what are the things we have we can use? Yeah.
Rather than if you have data in DB, then bind data from the DB and I have no data on there. So then I am not call. Uh,
Hmm.
we need some roughly data from that API. So through this only this way you can call third party API. For the API purpose, this class is used. This class is only for only. Like I checked it in the Postman. Just like open the Postman.
Hmm.
Okay. Then there is a API and send this request. Just wait. Send the request. There is only this is multiple method on here. get, post, put, multiple. So I am get the data from the API. Then use method get, and in you can see this, right? This data is coming. You get the code for this API. Then on right side, this is the icon code. Click here. This is same. You can copy. This is running code. You can copy and paste on there. There's some modification if you want.
Okay.
And this is a class. Okay. I create the class JSON ISM package install. We need to Newton JSON for this library. Install. Install. Second. Yes, this is a install, and this is a order, and here is only this is a component. What is the error? Why is actually we need to inherit view component on here. In this view component, this is a method. This is inbuilt function. This is right. Go to the definition. Uh, in this view component, inbuilt function.
This is a reminder. Send 1,000 rupees to Rajesh brother.
This is a function, inbuilt function. Okay. You can understand this code.
Yeah,
This you pass this. I like just I create the view, the comment view.
Mm.
We need to create the comment view inside the component folder. I create the folder component.
Okay.
Component folder. I create component folder. Component. Okay. Inside the component, add view. Add view. Here. It's not coming on view. Treasure component. Okay. Okay, just treasure component view. Layout. Treasure view. Okay. On here. Here the component name is comment. Comment. Okay. Create this. I create this component. and inside it I write the code @model list. Actually bind the data in list, multiple data on here list format. Is component class name is component component view model. The rate if model not is equal to null. This is a error is coming on here. Model just write the first code, here write comment data model dot count. This is a capital count. After that I bind the data. If model not is equal to null, then bind the data through the for each. At the rate for each model on here and bind p is a heading h1 h1 कर लो या h5 कर लो. Yeah, heading is h5. Sorry, I typed in Hindi. Right dot name and div item dot email there is not coming and paragraph. Item dot body else there is section else data found no data found. There is close on there is close comment to view model class. Okay, we need to add this library also then for the reference. This is okay. And this partial bind in the article section. Article or when I show this like I have created the index page. I create the index page where index on here. You can show on here index page. Wait. component dot on here some function inbuilt function invoke. This is I call the invoke asynchronous. Inside this parameter pass, I create a partial view like comment, 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 one new, you can pass ID or not. If you pass ID, so further data is filtered. You know this title, author, body, and this bind data through the I create the component view through this line. Await means asynchronous call. Parallel call is coming. Suppose that I have multiple method. This is I have two method, list, student list or employee list or है ना. So both two method parallel call from the DB. So this await keyword and then run this application. I have some error on here. Invalid. Has a name in the view component suffix. No view component attribute. Comment. View component. There is some missing on here. View component and comment could not be found. Means comment could not be found. Just second comment. I create the comment. Where I create the comment. Insert the components. Insert the components. The component. This is a comment. Call this view component. Actually, this folder is this component not finding. Comment components. Right. Inside view, okay. Path is change. Inside